Welcome back to our channel Victory Math 1729. Please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon who are watching first time, and like, share and comment on my videos. So today we are going to discuss about 10th mathematics, that is chapter name is pair of linear equations in two variables. We'll discuss the concept and its solutions and some model problems on it. Here, the name of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Its meaning is pair means two, linear means one, equations, as we know that equation consists of LHS part and RHS part and two variables. An equation consists of two variables and its power is 1, and this is called a linear equation in two variables. Generally, x and y are the two variables we'll use, and some examples. The general form of these two equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Y plus c1 is equals to 0 is a1 square plus b1 square should not be equal to 0, and similarly second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. For this a2 square plus b2 square, a2 square plus b2 square should not be equal to 0, and a1 comma a2 b1 comma b2 c1 comma c2 are any real numbers. To solve these equations, we have various methods like model method, graphical method, substitution method, and elimination method. The question is, show that the pair of linear equations 7x plus y is equals to 10, and the next equation is x plus 7y is equals to 10 are consistent. This we have to show. So here given first write given pair of linear equations are 7x plus y is equals to 10, x plus 7y is equals to 10. Now write the given equations in their standard form. 7x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0, x plus 7y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now what you have to write, identify the coefficients of x, y and constant terms and write them as a1 is equals to 7, b1 equal to 1, c1 is minus 10. Here a2 equal to the coefficient of x in second equation, that is 1, b2 the coefficient of y in second equation, c2 constant term in second equation. So we have written a1 value, b1 value, c1 value, a2 value, b2 value, c2 value. Now what is asking in the question? Show that the pair of linear equations are consistent. So we have the consistent condition. The condition for consistent is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So here we get only one solution. Why? If the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we get only one solution, right? So one more condition also we have for consistent. Consistency is nothing but intersecting lines. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, also consistent but dependent and consistent. Now check that the first condition a1 by e2 equal to b1 by b2 or not. So substitute their values, a1 value, a2 value, b1 value, b2 value. a1 is 7 divided by a2 is 1, 7 by 1 equal to 1 by 7. What is 1? b1 value 1, b2 value 7. So 7 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 7. So therefore here we are proving that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So by this we can say that the given pair of linear equations are consistent. Here we get only one solution. The question is, for what values of k the following system of equations has a unique solution. So given equations are x minus ky minus 2 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. First write the given pair of linear equations are x minus ky minus 2 is equals to 0 and second equation 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. We know that write the coefficients and constant terms here. So a1 becomes 1, b1 minus k, c1 minus 2. Here a2 from second equation a2 3, b2 plus 2, c2 is minus 5. So what is asking? Find the values of k the following system of equations. So write any condition. Here we are choosing consistent solution. Maybe here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we have taken. Here a1 value, a2 value, a1 by a2, a1 is 1, a2 is 3 and b1 is minus k, b2 is 2. By cross multiplication we get 2 into 1, here 3 into minus k. 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into minus k is minus 3k. So k is equals to minus 2 by 3 we get. Here consistent, what? Unique solution is nothing but unique solution for consistent. Here condition for unique solution is consistent. So that condition we have written. So here we got k value minus 2 by 3. If k value minus 2 by 3, these two a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. But here the condition is these two should not be equal. So except k value minus 2 by 3, any other values given equations are unique solution. Next question. If the pair of equations 2x plus y is equals to 7 and second equation 6x minus py is minus 21 equal to 0 has infinite number of solutions, then p is equals to question mark. So write the two given equations here and identify are they in standard form or not. Then write them into standard form of each equation. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, like that. So first equation a1 x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here identify the coefficients of variables and constant terms. Then a1 becomes 2, a2 is 6, here b1 is 1, b2 is minus p, c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus 21. Now what is given hint to us? Has infinite number of solutions. So the condition for infinite solutions is all ratios are equal, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So now substitute their respective values in the order. Here a1 by a2 value, a1 is 2, a2 is 6, b1 is 1, b2 is minus p, c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus 21. Take first pair, that is 2 by 6 is equals to 1 by minus p. If you simplify this by cross multiplication, you get minus 2 into p minus 2p equal to 1 into 6 is 6. So p is equals to minus 2 transpose to right side, 6 divided by minus 2. So by cancelling out you get p is equals to minus 3. Or take second pair, that is 1 by minus p is equals to minus 7 by minus 21. So 7 3 is 21, 7 ones 7 to 3 is. So minus minus will be get cancelled. Here 1 by minus p is equals to 1 by 3. So therefore by cross multiplication we get P is equals to minus 3. In both conditions, P is equals to minus 3. So the next question is, solve the following pair of equations in substitution method. So here given two linear equations are 4p plus 5q is equals to 30, 6p plus 5 just q is equals to 19. Here these two are the given pair of equations in two variables. Here the variables are p and q. So write that given pair of linear equations are 4p plus 5q is equals to 30, 6p plus q is equals to 19. Here I wrote in standard form, actually not required. So first one is equation number 1, second equation. By substitution method, so you can write first equation here, 4p plus 5q minus 30 equal to 0, 30 already transposed to here. So 4p is equals to 30 minus 5q, therefore p is equals to 30 minus 5q by 4. Let us say this is equation number 3. Now substitute the here p value that we have taken equation number 3, that you can substitute in the second equation, 3 in 2, that 3 here 2 second equation is 6p plus q minus 19 equal to 0, that we can write 6p plus q is equals to 19. Wherever you have a p, here replace by this one, 30 minus 5q by 4. So here denominator is 4, here 6 is multiplying, so cancel out these two, both in two table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 3 into inner part, that is 3 into 30, 90, minus 3 5 is a 15q plus q here divided by 2 here is equals to 19. Here 2, here this is a fraction, this is a natural number. So 90 minus 15q by 2, here q is equals to 19. So by taking 2 as LCM, 90 minus 15q plus 2q is equals to 2 transpose to right side, 19 to the 38. Next step, 90 minus this minus 15q plus 2q is difference of these two, that is minus 13q is equals to 38. Then 90 transpose to RHS, 38 minus 90 is 52. Here 13q is as it is, minus 13q is as it is. Minus minus will get cancelled, 13 ones are 13 fours are 52. Therefore q is equals to 4. Therefore q value in p, that is equation number 3. So here we have q replaced by here 4. So 30 minus 5q by 4. Wherever you have q, put 4. Then simplify. 30 minus 4, 5 4s are 20 divided by 4. 30 minus 20 is 10 divided by 4. By simplifying this, both will cancel in two tables. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So p value is 5 by 2 and q value is already we found here 4. Thanks for watching Victory Math 1729. Please like, share and comment.